Welcome to Thursday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz, the founder and CEO here at TGO, and got some relatively lackluster macroeconomic data. Well, first of all, last night, let's go back to last night. Overseas in China, the HSBC flash manufacturing PMI, relatively good numbers, looking for 48.4 and had a 49.7 print. So saw some really good moves out of the Asian stock market, especially the Nikkei. Nikkei was up about 2%. Shanghai ended up flat, and then but main reason that Shanghai pulled back a little bit was Europe rolled over, but very solid numbers out of China, which shows that they might be on path to hit that 7.5% GDP number, magic number that the government's putting out there. So seeing a good rebound out of Asia. Also on our flight schedule today, we got weekly unemployment claims, some flash manufacturing PMI, and existing home sales. Existing home sales was a miss. Flash manufacturing PMI was a beat, but we'll talk about that in a couple seconds. And weekly unemployment claims were ginormous. The weekly unemployment claims were the biggest jump in over 5 months. That's not good since the December 5th, 2013. That is that's kind of a shocking number there. It's considerably disappointing. It falls in the same week as the non-farm payroll survey period, right? So as we get ready for non-farm payrolls for May, this is the week they kind of survey all the businesses. That's not good news. So guess what? The May non-farm payrolls number probably isn't going to be that good. The manufacturing PMI, it was a beat, but the employment portion of that slows to the worst since 2014. The worst in 2014. Okay, so that is the unemployment sub-index. There's a lot of sub-indices underneath these PMI numbers and a lot of these macroeconomic numbers, but it's the slowest rate of expansion in 2014. So that's also not a good. And existing home sales, big miss. The worst start to the beginning of a year since 2007. So that sounds a little scary, doesn't it? So since this is yeah, exactly. The National Association of Realtors is blaming slow April sales being delayed due to winter weather. I love the NAR. Obviously, the National Association of Realtors is an industry, so they're going to try and shine anything into good news. So last time I checked, the weather wasn't that bad in April, but net, it's the worst start to housing since 2007. Really happy with what's going on in our model portfolios here. The weekly options model portfolio is up about $4,000 in 4 days. Okay, put these positions on Monday: SPX, Apple, a Russell trade, and Google. And here we are on Thursday morning, sitting here at a nearly $4,000 gain. So I could close all these out. And my mission objective in the weekly options model portfolio is $1,000 a gain a week. So we're beating that significantly. We still have some to go in that, potentially still another $1,200 in the SPX trades and another $255 to go in the Apple Iron Condor. But I might end up closing a lot of these today. This one's up $2,000. This SPX trade about 93%, and the Apple Iron Condor is up about 88% or $1,800. Got a Google bear call spread in an Iron Condor that's causing me some consternation that I might close instead of rolling it. But really good stuff going on in our weekly options model portfolio. Take a look at the from last Monday through today. Really, really good performance. $6,500, and let's go three weeks back. And that's doing even better. Look at that, about $11,000 in gains in 3 weeks. So if you're looking to take a test flight into that service, you can go to topgunoptions.com/weekly-options, and for $38, not even the cost of a good bottle of wine, you can take a 2-week test flight into our weekly option service. Okay, I got to run. Got some webinars to do today. We have a 1:00 session talking about our Wingman Group coaching program, one of our highest programs programs that we offer here at Top Gun Options. And then at 3 p.m. for members, I'm going to be doing an academic training session on long call diagonals. Make sure you check your email as well, because tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. we're going to be doing a Trade Monster demonstration with Don Prattle from Trade Monster. So click on the link in your email to instantly register, and you can check out the power of the Trade Monster platform. Okay, folks, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll see many of you at 1 p.m. today.